Pugay. I'm going to do a tutorial, and this is to do two basic ways to open a balisong or a fan knife. The fan knife that we're going to be using is a training knife, both from Boker. So this is the Boker training balisong that I bought from the forge in EDSA Shangri-La. And of course, I want to shout out to my friend Joey Sabaliero for hooking me up with this. And this is the Boker Magnum. So we're going to use these today for the tutorial. Okay, we're going to start. The first action that I would like you to get acquainted with is how to flip your fan knife or your balisong, opening and closing it. So this is a flip out and a flip in. So this is how it goes. Using your thumb and your last three fingers against one of the handle, holding it securely, you rotate your wrist from a palms down to a palms up position, releasing one of the handles to do the flip out and then flip in. Okay, so once again, palms down, flip out, flip in. Again, palms down, flip out, flip in. Okay, palms down. We can flip it out to the side. Flip out, flip in. Once again, palms down, flip out, flip in. Good one. Okay, so now we are going to use a second mechanism. Okay, so if you notice, at the moment when I flip it out, okay, and I bring it back in, it's closing. So we're going to use a second movement, okay, to open the balisong. So you go flip out, roll out, flip in. So now you get the blades exposed. Okay, so once again, I go flip out, roll out, flip in. It's already closed. So what happens is this: after you do your flip out, okay, you rotate your balisong outwards, okay, using your wrist action. Okay, so when you rotate your wrist, if you notice, I'm allowing my fingers to rotate around the handle and I roll it out again. 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 Okay, and then you flip in. So now you've got palms down, flip out, roll out, flip in. Okay, at the moment, try to do it one stage at a time until you're used to it. Okay, all right, so palms down. Two ways of doing this one. You can going forward, flip out, roll out, flip in, flip out, roll out, flip in, flip out, roll out, flip in, flip out, roll out, flip in. You can also do it sideways. Flip out, roll out, flip in, flip out, roll out, flip in. Okay, so as a beginner, you can use the first one, down in front, roll out, flip it back in, to give you a little bit of a pause in between each movement. Once you get used to it, you can do it sideways. Okay, like so. So that's the first one. So once again, flip out, roll out, flip in. Okay. The second action, or the first action required three, the first method required three actions. Okay, so the three actions are this: the flip out, the roll out, and the flip in. Okay, flip out, roll out, flip in. Okay, the second method, okay, requires only one action. So it requires from a palms up position, you rotate your wrist into palms down position. So that basically allows the free handle to swing out. So once again, I'm using my thumb, okay, basically controlling one of the handles. Palms up, I'm gonna go palms down and allow one of the handles, okay, to swing above my hand. Now, while it is swinging, I'm going to roll my hand around the handle so I can catch the other one. So I go one, as it is swinging, I'm gonna roll. So like this. Roll. Okay. As a basic exercise, you can release one handle, roll the hand, and flick it back up. Roll in, flick it. Roll in, flick it. So in one action. So basically, from here, combine it, open it using the first method, close it using the second method. Or you can open it using the second method, you can close it using the first method. So one more time, open it using the first method, close it using the second. Open it using the second method, close it using the first method.